Hello, today we're in Swindon in Wiltshire. Swindon's history can be traced back to the ancient times, but the most significant developments occurred during the Industrial Revolution. The town's name is believed to originate from the Old English words swine, meaning a pig, and dun, meaning a hill, a place where pigs were kept on the hills. During the Middle Ages, Swindon was a small market town, and its economy was primarily based on agriculture and trade. The town was part of the Manor of Swindon, which belonged to various English noble families over the centuries. In 1840, the Great Western Railway arrived in town. They chose Swindon as the location for their locomotive repair and maintenance works, due to its strategic position on the railway line between London and Bristol. Now, this almost wouldn't be one of my videos without some kind of rails to trails being involved. This one is the Old Town Railway Path, which links the Old Town to West Swindon. It follows the route of the Midland and South Western Junction Railway from Swindon Town Station to the main line. The line closed to passenger traffic in 1961 and was used for construction work until the 1970s. The line was then lifted and the recreational trail was developed in the 1980s.
Here is the Swindon Old Town Trail. This isn't even the first rails to trails I've been on today. That was the Honeybourne line, but this one is a good one.
The establishment of the railway works led to a massive influx of workers in the area and a huge expansion of the town's population, from about 1,500 in the early 19th century to over 45,000 a century later. The railway works were a major employer and a significant driver of Swindon's economy. To accommodate the railway workers, the GWR built a new area known as the Railway Village, which provided housing, schools, and other amenities for its employees. This part of Swindon still has its significance and unique character. It's also the home to the GWR Steam Museum. In 2000, Steam, the Museum of the Great Western Railway, opened in a Grade 2 listed railway building in the heart of the railway works. In the 20th century, Swindon continued to thrive as an industrial town, with the railworks being a main feature. However, like a lot of other industrial areas in the UK, it faced economic challenges in the latter half of the century, and the decline in the railway industry. In recent decades, Swindon has undergone significant redevelopment and diversification, transitioning from a primarily industrial town to a modern centre with a diverse economy.